Hey there, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to create a Bluetooth shortcut on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. This shortcut will let you access Bluetooth settings with just one click. Perfect if you use Bluetooth often and want a faster way to turn it on or off. First, go to your desktop, then right-click on an empty area, hover over New, and click on Shortcut from the list that appears. Now in the location box, type the following command exactly as I say it. MS settings, Bluetooth, that's ms-settings : Bluetooth, all one word, no spaces. Then click Next and give your shortcut a name. You can just call it Bluetooth settings or anything you like. Click Finish and boom, you now have a shortcut on your desktop that takes you straight to your Bluetooth settings. Let's make it look nicer with a proper icon. Right-click the shortcut and select Properties. Under the Web Document tab, click on Change Icon. In the icon list, scroll through and pick a Bluetooth icon or anything that looks nice. Once you pick one, click OK, then apply and close the window. And just like that, your desktop now has a clean, custom Bluetooth shortcut you can use anytime. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more fast and helpful Windows tips and tricks to make your daily tech life simpler. Got questions or video ideas? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.